this Samsung flexible tube double washer, up and down. The downside is working properly, but the upside is not working. You close, press the start button. IDC4. You open it again. This switch is the problem. This switch, this small switch, maybe not touching the sensor. Here's no sensor here. So you close again, like this. Close. Still the error is coming. So let's check if this switch is the problem. So let's check. We have some small plastic rubber here, so I will place it here. I'll just place it here, then put the switch back like this. Okay, and close it. Off it again and try. So we press the start button. Finally, the door is locked. The door is locked. Started working. So the switch is the problem. As I already said, the small switch is the problem. So now we pause it again. Okay. This is the small switch. Maybe the handle has problem. That's why this one is not touching. So maybe you can put some glue here, put it permanently for this, that the problem is gone. So you see, when I remove the metal, I remove the plastic metal, I close it. I close it very well, but still again I put the plastic. Put the plastic here. Okay, close the door. Use the plastic here. The door. Like this. Use this one. You on the machine. Press the steps. Have you guys seen the door is closed? Now the machine is working. So the IC4 error code is this small switch. This small switch from this side and this side. So after you fix this one, your problem is solved. So as for me, I will put spare glue here to hold it firmly so that it will not come out again. And that has no any problem with the machine. So you can choose to put spare glue if you need it. Now as you can see, I have put in some plastic metal here for permanent use. This is permanent use, so now the switch will switch on.